Thank you for purchasing a Vinyl Systems cutting machine from Heat Press Nation. Loading a blade onto these machines is a simple yet critical process. To ensure perfect cuts every time, it's important that your blade is properly set before each cut. We should note that all Vinyl Systems blades themselves will fit in any of the Vinyl Systems blade holders. However, the Specialist uses a holder specifically designed for its carriage, so the Specialist blade holder is not cross-compatible with the Edge and Evo cutters and vice versa. Vinyl Systems offers 3 different blades: the yellow cap 30 degree, red cap 45 degree, and blue cap 60 degree blades. These are made exclusively for Vinyl Systems machines and are the only blades recommended for use in your Vinyl Systems cutter. All Vinyl Systems cutters come standard with a blade holder and red cap 45 degree blade. To replace the blade, push the button above the holder in, carefully pull the current blade out, then insert the new blade in with the tip or sharp side facing out. Release the button to lock it in place and you're all done. It's a good practice to tap the tip of the blade against a soft surface to ensure it's fully inserted into the blade holder. Blade depth is adjusted by rotating the upper twist dial. Use the golden ring on top to lock the blade depth at your desired setting. The required blade depth will vary based on the thickness of the material you're cutting. For example, standard heat transfer vinyl typically requires the blade to be extended to the approximate thickness of a sheet of copy paper. On the other hand, thicker glitter vinyl usually requires that the blade depth matches the thickness of a credit card. We recommend doing a test cut before every cut to ensure proper settings. Once your blade depth is set, you're now ready to load it on your machine. Loosen the clamp on the blade carriage. This will be on the left side for Specialist cutters and on the front for both Edge and Evo cutters. Insert your blade holder onto the carriage, ensuring its outer ring is sitting flush on top of the rim. Tighten the clamp to lock the blade holder in place. For Edge and Evo cutters, you'll want to make sure that it slides past the clamp's ridge for it to properly lock in. You're now ready to use your blade with your Vinyl Systems cutting machine. For any questions or additional help with Vinyl Systems products, you can always contact a MyExpert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Thanks for watching.